ultimately, we have never in our memory seen something that has had such a devastating effect so quickly.
Health officials are advising Canadians to self-isolate, work from home, and stay away from others as much as possible. But all this distancing is taking a toll on local businesses who rely on customers to stay afloat.
In British Columbia, businesses are closing, as we know, with the request to keep crowd sizes down to 10 people. It's pretty hard to run businesses.
90% of BC businesses are currently being impacted by COVID-19, according to a survey conducted by the BC Economic Development Association. Of the 8,000 respondents, half say they will be temporarily shutting down their offices.
The majority of businesses, unfortunately, especially the small mom-and-pop type of operations, do not have the cash flow. They're already going to be closing. If they're not already businesses that are able to lay off staff and just be run by the owner, they're going to be shutting down. And it's, by the end of this week, I wouldn't be surprised to see the majority of them shut down.
Wheeldon says tourism and retail industries will take the biggest hit. The British Columbia Hotel Association anticipates a 50 to 80% reduction in staff and tens of thousands of jobs eliminated.
We're seeing hotels on a daily basis closing. The reservation cancellations have been significant. So hotels are reporting up to 80% cancellations. Primarily that comes from the leisure market, which is domestic travel within British Columbia or Canada, and especially over this spring break time, it's a very large piece of business.
And it's not just hotel owners and staff who are impacted by the losses.
Hotels alone in 2018 generated $3.2 billion of revenue for the province, over and above the contribution that we make to all the destination marketing initiatives. So what is really important for us is that our employees are looked after. Every day is a heartbreaking day for us right now. That these small businesses can stay open because they're economic generators in every community, both at the municipal level and the provincial level.
Based on survey results, the BC EDA has made several recommendations to the Canadian government, including enhanced EI access, funding for businesses to work remotely, and encouraging financial institutions to provide zero-interest loans.
A large number of them will have a hard time succeeding without some level of financial support. Not a lot of our businesses are looking for grants or handouts, are looking for solutions, business guarantees, loan guarantees, deferral of having to pay taxes, deferral of property taxes, and for a couple of months to help them increase cash flow.
The Canadian government has announced the COVID-19 Economic Response Plan, which will provide up to $27 billion in support of businesses and workers. It includes temporary income support for those who meet criteria, deferred income tax payments, and a proposed temporary wage subsidy for small employers.
We all are in this together. Our communities will depend on us working together.
In Richmond, Miranda Fatour, City News.